Hi everyone. In this video, we'll go very quickly and briefly over how you can see your feedback from MyIT Lab. So we go through MyIT Lab, you get to this screen. So for me, I will go to MyIT Lab course homework or home. And then from there, I can click on the calendar. So I'll just wait for it really quick. So I can go to the course material or to calendar or assignment calendar in this case. And in this case, I will navigate a little bit back to one of the assignments that was already due, just kind of for illustration sake. And that was in January, so I'll go back a little bit. So this one was I already actually student already submitted this assignment, and there are a couple of attempts. So this is my grader or the grader project. So to be able to see the feedback after you submit this assignment, you will need to go through this guy here, context menu, and then click on view submissions, and then you will see all the submissions. So some of you might have already submitted several times and you saw that your score doesn't change, right? So that's kind of one thing, and the reason is because you will need to go here and you have unlimited attempts to try to resubmit until you get 100%. So let's look at this person here, why this person got 90. So let's click on this one that you didn't get 100, but you got a 90. That means there was something wrong. So I'll click on that attempt, and then now it will take me to the screen where I can see and navigate through what went right. So here it is telling me those first steps went right. So I'll scroll down all the way to see which one I got wrong, right? So I'll just keep scrolling. Here we go. You see that I got a 0 here and it is in red. And to get the exact feedback, what really went wrong, you can click on this red arrow and then you will see the steps that went wrong. So it's very easy, very straightforward. So it tells us exactly what went wrong. In the footer, for example, this statement was not put correctly. So all you can do is go back to the Excel file that you downloaded or you were working on and fix those errors from here. So very straightforward. So again, this is kind of an easy way, and resubmit that Excel file and your grade will be improving until you get 100%. So if you still have any questions, please come and talk to me during office hours and we will go through them from there. All right, so good luck to you.